Hey guys, it's me Ashton, back in another video, and today we had found a German Shepherd, and now I'm going to show you where it is.
You are going.
The dog is over here, guys, so follow us. The dog is right there.
Harmony.
So,
Wait, not yet, not yet.
look at it. Look at her. She's just going to smell.
Listen, let me see.
Look at Mama laughing. There Randy is! There Randy is!
Let me see it.
He's over here. See? If a trumpet could scare a cat, then a trumpet could scare a dog. He's still over there with that trumpet. He loves his trumpet. He had got it from school in middle school. Randy! Randy has that trumpet. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.